ongus tumanut sopoda tumu mingkabas no itaban tititongso.
Yeah, we thank God. Today I would want to give my commentary or reaction on one of the Kadazan song which I composed, which I titled Oi Ongus. Actually the meaning is dear wind or air. Ongus or tongus. Tongus actually is a Kadazan word for wind or the air. But I trying to address this wind as a personality. So I name him it as Ongus, Oi Ongus, dear wind. You know, I love this kind of rhyme. You know, rhyme something that I'm talking. You know, speaking to the mountain, speaking to the wind. I want to talk to the moon. You know, so this time I want to talk to the wind. Dear wind, you know, dear air, or Ongus, Oi Ongus. The music was arranged by our good friend Matthew Morgan, but I put an input on guitar instrument because I'm a guitarist, a rhythm guitarist, so I also input in that music. So it was like a collaboration between Matthew and me. You know, I add in my guitar rhythm in the music, and so this song is actually the story of my life as a traveler, like a vagabond. I traveled from Sabah Borneo Island to Malaysia as a traveling missionary around the world. I've traveled for the past 30 over years to Europe. I've traveled to Africa. I've traveled to many countries, but finally I settled myself in Thailand when I got married to my beloved wife, who is a Thai citizen. So this is the life story in the song. Talks about how I traveled to look for better life, right? Sometimes you don't know where is your final destination or where you will be, but you follow the wind. Now the wind in the Christian doctrine also symbolize the Holy Spirit, the wind of the Holy Spirit. Even our state Sabah, it is called the land below the wind. The land below the wind. So let the wind, let you follow. In a Christian theology, you follow the wind, you follow the Spirit of God wherever. You know, I'm a man who is religious enough to believe that God, the Holy Spirit, which is the wind of God, will lead me. But I didn't say it is the Spirit. I just speak in parables or rhymes. You know, I want to follow where the wind blows. If the wind blows to the north, I will flow. I will just follow. And I said, dear Mr. Wind, bring me up into the sky and let me see what you see down there, what you feel down there. I will follow. It takes guts to go and have your journey into unknown world. You know, you can live comfortably in a comfort zone here in Sabah, but I'm a traveler. I love to travel as the wind blows. So I landed in Thailand, and people say, well, yeah, Bishop, you're so blessed. Well, it took many years of really following where your heart wanted to go. So this is the full content, but let me highlight the lyrics content, all right? And I'll give you an explanation and interpretation of the lyrics. I'm the composer of the lyrics. The wind, Oi Ongus.
Oso duo na panau monom pegunan kuminam do magiu do pongin do puan.
Now he said that osodu o napanaw mo ng pagunan. Osodu o napanaw mean I have traveled, abroad, very far. Osodu o napanaw. I've traveled so long, very far. Monompagunan is actually going abroad, traveling. Monompagunan. Kuminam do magium do pangin do puan. Kuminam mean I want to try. Magium, to look. Do pangin do puan. Pangin do puan is livelihood. I travel abroad, around the world. I want to try. I want to look for a better life living. That's the meaning. Osodu napanaw mo ng pagunan, kuminam do magium do pangindapuan. Okay? Let's continue.
Ison miampai do tuhun subayo tinau hansana tatamis tongus doiti.
Now, here he said, Mizon miampai do tuhum suvay o tinao. Mean, I live, because in this country, especially Thailand, together with the people from a different nations. So, I think I'm the only Kadazan and Sabahan that have stayed for over 20 years in Thailand. Because I'm married to a Thai wife, and so Mizon, I stayed. Miampai do tuhun suvay tinao. I stayed with a people that is not my people, Kadazan, Hansan atatamis tongus diti. I hope that the wind here, or the spirit, the environment here is very cool, very peaceful. Atatamis mean cool and peaceful. I hope. And I say that it become a reality. I've lived a very cool life in this land, in Mysot, in Thailand, among the Suvay Tinao, different people. Thai people, Okay, let's continue.
Oi yongus obito sopoda tumu mingkabas no itaban tititong so.
The chorus goes like Oi tongus, or dear wind, obito sopoda tumuhud. Bring me and fly together with you. Ovito mean bring me and to fly together. Tumuhud. Ovito, so bring me along to fly together in the wind, in the air. Mean kavas day tavan. Mean going up, mean kavas going up, ascending to the sky. To the heaven. Mean kavas day tavan. Tavan is the sky or heaven. Mean kavas is ascending, so that when I reach up there, then I said titin tong zo, mean I yearn to see below. What you see, onu ito kito numantad savat. What do you see from above? Onu ito piumanano. What do you feel when you see the world from above, surrounding the world from above? Explain it to me. Allow me to see what you see, dear wind. Okay? So this is a repeated chorus. I don't need to repeat. But let us immediately go to the second verse.
Away hanasip tuhun toy gontob numpasan ay somay ko tutuko nung osi kuminam.
Here it talks about aiso naihan nasip tuhun toy gontob numpasan. Aw naihan nasip tuhun. Nobody can predict the life or future of anyone. Even me and you, we don't know what will happen tomorrow. Aw naihan, I don't know. Nasip tuhun mean the life the luck. Nasib is like the luck of somebody. Toy gontob nung pasan, or your life. Nobody knows when you are going to die. Gontob nung pasan mean the end of your life. How long? So nobody knows your luck in life. Nobody knows. Gontob nung pasan mean when we will die. We don't know. And then aiso may kotutuko nung osi kuminam. But if you are not daring to try, to go, to travel, aiso may kotutuko, you will not go far. Aiso may kotutuko, you will not reach anything. If you are not daring, you are scared. So nung osi kuminam, aiso may kotutuko nung osi kuminam, you will not go far, you will not reach if you are not daring to try. Kuminam. Osi is if you are scared, if you are afraid to try. Why don't you try? Because you don't know your luck. Your luck may come. Try and just flow with the wind. Follow wherever it goes. If the wind go to the north, go. To the west, go. If there's an opportunity, we don't know. Anything can happen. Why don't you try? But if you are scared, you just stagnant in what you are doing now, you don't know your luck. Something like this. Sorry, I don't believe in the luck. I believe in the plan of God. But if I try to teach you Christianity, some of you say that, oh no, I don't want to listen to the bishop. Now he start to teach religion. So I'm just trying to use a very light word like luck. You don't know what will happen tomorrow. Why don't you try it? You never try, you are scared, then you will. That's all. God created you to achieve something greater, but He gave you a talent. Why don't you utilize it? Try and do something else. Move, travel, experiment, explore. Explore avenues. That is what I'm trying to say. Okay? Then continue.
Nung ko'yum polahan Vasido tonudon Hansan kanutong usto tabasi.
So, the second verse is nung ko'yum polahan, if you can find a way, vasido tonudon, it's better to just follow. If you can find that way, you found a way, try, go for it. Basi dotonudon, follow that way. Hansan kanu tongus utabasi. And I wish and hope that I will have the right good wind, or mean to say good luck or good things. Tongus utabasi, a good wind. It's a parable something like a good air. Why don't, if there's an opportunity, if there's a way for me, rather than scared, why don't I just try it? Who knows? At the end of that road, it will be a good spirit. It is a good thing. Yes. So that is what I've experienced. That is my story. I'm a person who is daring to try, daring to go. Means die, live, I don't know. Will I survive in this land, in this foreign country, or in business, or in relationship? The thing is, I don't want to be scary. I don't want to be a person who is scared, because if we are fearing of so many things, we fear to face so many things, to accept the challenge, then you will not progress. God is looking for a fearless man, and it's all in your hand. You dare or not. I think whether it's his business, relationship, or livelihood, everything need got you there or not. Because risk is everywhere, but it's worth it. It's worthwhile. Calculated risk. If you are not daring, then you will not see you cannot maximize your potential. You cannot see how far is your strength and ability. People who are not scared and afraid, I am not scared. I am a person who are not afraid to lose or to win. It's better to try it out than doing nothing and wait and expect for somebody to have mercy on you, right? Correct?
Napadan taon zo paintindoy Doy tit pagun subay Tiatong gusto minogowi Nipisan tohodun Abasi kozo nasibku Kabokon mo boss Ngaman tadoto ko sondi.
So after the chorus, repeated chorus, the final verse is Napadanzo paintindoy dated pagun suvay. I mean, I have already stayed here for decades, more than 2 decades, 20 over years. Napadanton, many years. Zo paintindoy dated pagun suvay. I stayed in this foreign land. And I am talking to you now from Thailand. I've stayed here for almost 20 over years in Thailand. Paintindoy means staying. I stayed in Pagun Suvay in foreign land. Tiatongus to magawit. And I was saying that tiatongus di minogovit ni pisan tohodun. This is the wind, but actually it's the Holy Spirit of God who has led me to fulfill these holy dreams. Because when I was young, I used to dream a lot that I will be in a foreign country. So ni pisan tohodun is my dream, my vision. Nipisan tohodun, holy dream, holy visions. So I have followed it.
Abasi kozo nasibku Kabokon mo boss.
And then abasi kozo nasibku Kabokon mo boss. And I was successful. I am successful in this land. God bless me. God has blessed me in this land. So people see and they might say, Abasi kozo nasibku kadovokon mo boss. Many people say that, wow, the bishop has a good luck, a very good luck that he is successful in this foreign land. Not everybody have that. No, but name it as luck, but to me it is an effort. Work hard, live peacefully, good work. People see. People love you, even though they are foreigners. They can accept you, that this is a good man. And then you see, they open the door of opportunity for you. And that is what I did. I came, I traveled. I've been to Europe many times. I've been to Africa. I've traveled in many countries. And in Thailand, I travel all over Thailand. I never break the law. I only do good things. I never drink, I never smoke, I never smuggle, I never drug, nothing. I never cheat. I just do good things. And when they see you, the government or people around, that he's a good man, When you are a good man, showing respect, humble, but very wise, you live peacefully with them, they respect you, they open the door for you, open the house for you, and your life is better and blessed. That especially a bishop, a servant of God, a Christian servant of God, I teach a lot of Thai people, foreigners, and I'm not influencing them. I'm not taking advantage over them. I'm not come here looking for money for them, but I want to just teach them the good way, ethic and moral. They appreciate, and that is why they bless us. They're happy. They open the door for us. They feed us. They say, this is a good man. But people may say, wow, that is a luck. No, it's not a luck. It's how you bring yourself in Thailand, okay? If you are a good citizen, even though you are foreigners, the arm is open for you. Because he said, this is a good man. He love our people. He want to serve our people. He teach our people the good values of life. See? So it's not luck to me, but to many people, oh, the bishop is very good luck na, you know. Okay. So
Ngamantado ko sondi katamatumannud.
but I finally end up this verse like nga mantad do tokoson di katama tumanod, but actually it is all from our own way. You know how you carry yourself. Mantad do tokoson di, it is from ourselves. Katama tumanod. You dare or not? You dare to go or flow in the wind wherever it leads you to go. You dare or not? It's all depend on you. If you are right now in a bad situation or your luck is run out, why don't you try something new? You're daring or not? Because you may not know at the end of the road the wind is good for you. You know, like me, you know, in a foreign land, even if I go to Europe, I stay in Germany or Belgium, people are good to me. They even say, Bishop, I have a room for you. You can stay 1 month, 2 months free. You know what I mean? Why they are very open the door for me? Because they know I'm a good man. You know, I'm not taking advantage over them. You know, when we are good to people, live peace. I'm a man of peace. I love peace. I don't want to create controversy. But I will tell the truth. Truth is truth. Sometimes it's painful, but it's my moral to correct the wrong. Then people who do not understand, I cannot say it. I will tell them it's wrong. Wrong is wrong. Right is right. But some who can accept it, I say, yeah, you are right, Bishop. You're correct. It's not good. You know, something like this. And they appreciate you. Thank you, Bishop, for making me a better man, you know, a better father, a better mother, you know, responsible. Thank you for your advice, something like this. And they appreciate that, and in return, they will also appreciate us. So that's the whole thing. So 3-time chorus and relics. So hope you enjoy with these relics that I made in Kadazan language, and the music is good, and I hope that you will, you know, be inspired with this song titled Oi Ongus or Oi Tongus, Dear Wind. Enjoy.
Oso duo na panau monom pegunang kuminam no magiyu Kadazan.Miampai do tuhun subayo tinau hansana tatamis tongus doiti oi ongus obito sopoda tumu ningkabas doitaban titing tongso onu itoki tonu mantan sabat onu itopyu mananu awai hanasip tuhun toy gontob numpasan ay somay ko tutuko nung osi kuminam nung ko no polahan vasido tonudon hansan kanutong usto tabasi oi yongus sugio zopoda tumu ningkabas doitaban titing tongso onu itoki tonu mantan sabat onu itopyu mananu napadan tonzo paintindoy doy tit pegun subay tiatong gusto minogobi ni pisan tohodun avasikozo nasibku kabokon mo bos ngaman tadoto ko sondi katamatumannud oi yongus tumanud sopoda tumu ningkabas doitaban titing tongso onu itoki tonu mantan sabat